Square Inventory helps manage products and sales efficiently through four key concepts. Stock management tracks inventory in real time and sends low stock alerts. To add items, go to Inventory, Items, Add Item, then specify quantity. Variants handle items with options like size or color. Create a base item and add variants under Variations, each with unique SKUs, prices, and stock levels. Barcodes use custom UPC or EAN codes for quick checkout. Assign them to items or variants for instant lookup using Square readers. Reports provide details like stock summary, stock value, and sales by item. Access in dashboard under Reports, Inventory, customize ranges, and export data. These core concepts streamline your inventory management. The rise of AI and multi-channel integration are key trends shaping Square Inventory. Enhanced AI provides predictive stock management, forecasting demand based on historical sales data, and seasonal trends. Square Inventory now integrates with third-party apps like Shopify and WooCommerce for real-time sync across multiple channels. Expect deeper AI integrations, such as automated pricing adjustments and potential expansion into enterprise-level features like RFID integration. Mobile-first inventory management is growing, allowing on-the-go stock audits. Square is improving inventory accuracy, with over 50% of Square merchants reporting improvements.